Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lifebite Fitness. I'm Elizabeth Carroll, and today's video is all about one of my favorite topics, the plant-based diet. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based eater, or just curious about incorporating more plants into your meals, you're in for a treat. So, let's dive into the wonderful world of plant-based eating. The question is, what is a plant-based diet? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a plant-based diet? Well, it's a way of eating that emphasizes whole, plant-derived foods while minimizing or excluding animal products. This includes fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. The goal is to fill your plate with vibrant, nutrient-dense foods that not only taste great, but also contribute to your overall health. Our second segment is health benefits of a plant-based diet. Now, why choose a plant-based diet? The health benefits are impressive. Research has shown that plant-based diets may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. They're naturally rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, promoting overall well-being and longevity. Now we will discuss about our third segment, building a balanced plate. Building a balanced plant-based plate is key to getting all the nutrients your body needs. Aim for a variety of colors, textures, and flavors. Include a mix of vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats. Don't forget about plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh. Our fourth segment is plant-based on a budget. Eating plant-based doesn't have to break the bank. In this segment, I'll share practical tips on how to enjoy a plant-based diet on a budget. There are plenty of ways to make plant-based eating affordable and accessible. Tip 1. Buy in bulk. First up, consider buying in bulk. Purchasing staples like rice, quinoa, lentils, and beans in larger quantities can be cost-effective. Many stores offer bulk bins where you can scoop out the amount you need, reducing packaging waste and saving money. Tip 2. Frozen and canned options. Embrace frozen and canned options. These can be just as nutritious as fresh produce and are often more budget-friendly. Frozen fruits and vegetables are perfect for smoothies or quick stir-fries, while canned beans and tomatoes are versatile staples for many plant-based recipes. And there you have it, a crash course in the wonderful world of plant-based eating. I hope this video inspires you to explore new flavors and embrace more plant-based goodness in your life. If you enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments below if you have any favorite plant-based recipes or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for joining me on Lifebite Fitness. Until next time, eat your greens, stay plant-powered, and take care.